Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, January 14th, 2022. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You know what to do. It helps the channel quite a bit. Now, we have a pretty impressive storm on the way. And if you're interested in more detailed analysis and also Google Zoom snow maps and whatnot, definitely check out the Premium Consulting membership on the top here. This forecast is starting to come into pretty strong agreement at this point. So I'm going to basically walk through what we're expecting here. For right now, we have a storm out in the Atlantic that is starting to pull in some Arctic air that is currently just north of us. Now, temperatures over the interior range from the lower to mid 30s for the most part, mid 30s to upper 30s in your suburbs, lower 40s in your urban areas, with a northerly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour, increasing to 10 to 20 miles per hour. That's all driven by this storm here that is intensifying and will slowly pull away as this Arctic cold front drops south. As the Arctic cold front drops south, you're going to feel it by later this evening as temperatures start plummeting through the 30s and 20s and falling into the teens. Meanwhile, this storm will be organizing over the plains and dropping towards the Tennessee River Valley. And this storm will be impacting our neck of the woods by the time we get to Sunday afternoon on through Monday morning, with a variety of impacts throughout the region. So when we take a look at our infrared satellite picture, you can see pretty much everything starting to come into place. This storm is a little bit too far east, and if you're looking for snow in the coastal plain, well, this storm's going to be tracking a little bit too far west. Let's walk over this storm and explain why that's going to be happening. So for today, one storm exits, Arctic cold front drops south. Watch out for a few rain and snow showers. Other than that, scattered broken cloud covers expected, with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior to the upper 30s to mid 40s along the coast. For tonight, the Arctic cold front clears through and temperatures plummet. We're looking at low temperatures in the single digits below zero to single digits above zero on the coast, possibly a few lower teens in your urban areas. But yeah, it is going to be very cold by tomorrow morning. By tomorrow afternoon, high pressure's in control. Not much really going on. It's going to be clear and very cold. Look for high temperatures in the lower to mid teens over the interior, mid to upper teens over your suburbs, upper teens to lower 20s along the immediate coast. Now, on Sunday is when this forecast becomes a little bit more complicated. Sunday morning, high pressure to the north of the region, right? Clear skies, tranquil conditions, low temperatures in the single digits over the interior, lower teens along the coast. Then the high pressure system shifts east, and that's very important because that leads to an easterly wind which starts to warm up the boundary layer, the surface temperatures. Meanwhile, here's our storm that is organizing over the southeast. Now, normally when a storm jumps towards the southeast coast, it tracks towards the coastal waters. But you see this little trough right here? Well, this is going to act kind of like a weight and pull this storm a little bit more to the north rather than to the northeast. So as a result, on Sunday afternoon, we're going to see a band of snow and sleet and rain lift northward, and that's going to be the bulk of your snowfall for the coastal plain. Basically anywhere from a trace to an inch on the immediate coast, maybe 1 to 4 inches around the I-95 corridor. It's going to be snow, a very wet snow, sleet, and then rapidly changing over to rain because of this stiff easterly wind driving a much warmer air mass into the coast. Meanwhile, over the interior, we're talking about much of interior eastern Pennsylvania, the Poconos, the Catskills in New York. Well, that is going to be snow, and a very heavy wet snow mixing with sleet at times as we move through the evening hours and head towards midnight. While that's happening, very heavy rainfall will take hold along the coastal plain, and at the same time, we're also going to have strong winds sustained at 15 to 30 miles per hour, gusts at times over 50 miles per hour, what we call a strong jet streak here setting up. So this is going to be dangerous not only for strong wind gusts, poor visibility, but also coastal flooding. So just be aware of that. On Monday morning, very heavy rainfall along the coast, very heavy snowfall over the interior, mixing with sleet. It looks like anywhere between a 6 to 12 inch type snowfall over the northern interior. And don't be surprised to get it mixed in with a little bit of rain as well. over portions of interior eastern Pennsylvania. So definitely a wintry mix over the interior, rain along the coast with a very heavy cement-like snowfall accumulating. By the time we get to the afternoon hours, the storm pulls northward. The temperatures in the meantime will hold in the lower to mid 30s over the interior and upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast from Sunday night through Monday afternoon, and then they'll start to fall rapidly Monday evening as the storm pulls away. Lingering rain and snow showers are expected, with temperatures falling through the 30s and into the 20s. And by Tuesday morning, look for scattered or broken cloud cover with a few flurries and snow showers, maybe some lake effect snow bands. We're going to keep an eye out for the Poconos and Catskills, maybe even reaching as far as the coastal plain, with temperatures falling off into the upper teens over the interior and mid to upper 20s along the coast. Look for high temperatures on Tuesday, not really moving all that much, mid to upper 20s over the interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast, with some scattered flurries. On Wednesday, a cold front will approach with a few rain and snow showers in the evening hours. Look for low temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s, high temperatures in the upper 30s to mid 40s. On Thursday, the Arctic cold front settles off the coast. We'll have to watch out for a wave of low pressure, possibly producing a few snow showers. Look for low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper teens over the interior, upper 20s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid-teens to lower 20s over the interior and mid-20s to lower 30s along the coast. And on Friday, Arctic air is in control with a strong high-pressure system. Lows in the teens below zero to the single digits. High temperatures in the lower to mid-teens over the interior and mid to upper teens along the coast. So if we have any type of significant change in the forecast, of course, we'll have updates and we'll do a live video chat as well on Saturday if we see some significant changes in this forecast. But right now, it looks like the forecast is pretty much locked in. Looks like a snow to wintry mix over the interior, heavy rain along the coast. Definitely check out Twitter, Facebook, and of course this channel as well for the latest updates, as I'm planning to have an impact map issued for the public by the time we get to this afternoon. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.